I have a Cub Cadet self-propelled with an electric start. Even when the battery is charged and a new battery is installed, it cranks so slowly it will not start.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. Is engine hard to turn if you have pull start too? Does engine spin any faster with spark plug removed? What is battery voltage when you try to crank? Does it drop below 8 volts?
It pulls normally. Voltage is 12 with a new battery. Yesterday when I tried to start it, it would engage and turn slowly. Today when I turn the key, nothing happens and the voltage is 12.
So what you are telling me is the voltage is not getting to the starter? Good connections between the battery and starter.
I don't think that is the issue. However, is there a way to hot wire the starter from the battery to see if it's a connection issue?
There is a relay that the switch closes to engage the starter. The battery cable goes to one terminal, the starter terminal is on the other. If you jump across these two terminals with old screwdriver, it will tie battery direct to the stator. If starter works, the relay may be the problem.
I got nothing when I did that. My bad, I forgot to hook the battery up. When I tried it again, I was able to turn the key switch. It would go about 1 revolution and then stop. It's acting like the battery is weak, yet it has 11.97 volts. When I pull on the cord, it pulls normally.
Volts is too low for start. A fully charged battery will be over 13 volts.
It's a new battery. I'll try charging it again, but it's been this way for a while and a new fully charged battery doesn't work. I'll try charging it again, but I'm not optimistic.
Check the battery voltage before you attach the charger. Then again after the charger the on. Be sure it is charging.
The charger is putting out 17 volts. And I read 11.87 at the battery while it's plugged in.
Let it charge and see if the voltage goes up.
Will you still be around in about an hour? How do I continue this conversation if you're not?
I should be here most all day. There should be a link in your email to get back here.
I just tried something. I jump-started it with my car and it worked. The charger is putting out 12.03 volts and the battery is at 11.97. It still doesn't run off from the battery. My car battery was 12.5. Does this help?
Charger is not charging the battery. Either battery is bad, or charger is bad.
Does the voltage sound right on the charger? Also, is there a voltage regulator in there somewhere that might also be at fault?
With 17 volts, charger should charge the battery. Is connection good? No voltage regulator.
Actually, the charger is only putting out 11.89 volts now. I just remeasured it. Could that little bit of voltage drop be the issue?
Charger is not working. It has to be well over 12 volts to charge a battery. The 17 volts would not be unusual.
That makes sense. Do you have a recommendation where to buy one line?
http://www.partstree.com/parts/cub cadet/mowers walk behind lawn mower /cc 550 sp12 a18 ja 01012 a18 ja 056 Cub Cadet s walk behind mower 2008 /general assembly / 28.00 from Partstree, or you can buy from eBay or Amazon.
Not sure if this link is still open. I replaced the charger as we had talked about. It's running at a much higher voltage. I got 12.5 plus volts on the battery. It still starts slowly.
How long has battery been charging in GT? Needs 24 hours.
Thanks, let me try that. It was only about 4 hours. I'm on vacation and won't be back till after the 4th. Have a good holiday. Smile.
You too. Thanks.
I charged the battery overnight, still it just wouldn't turn over.
What is battery voltage when cranking? Does it drop below 8 volts? If it does, battery or cable problem.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.